Hey guys, how are you doing today? In this video, I will be analyzing the Grasim stock. So basically, I have taken the top losers of Nifty 50 today, and the first three stocks I find in the list is number 1 Grasim, number 2 Sun Pharma, and number 3 Tech Mahindra. And Grasim, you can see, has lost over 2.67%, falling over 47 points today. So let's go ahead and analyze this stock. So if you're holding it, or if you intend to buy it, or if you intend to sell it, this video will be super useful for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Hey guys, whenever you start analyzing a stock, the first thing you need to do is you need to look at the bigger picture. So I always recommend looking at two time frames for your reference purpose. One is weekly time frame and the other is the monthly time frame. Because we're all swing traders, we should use higher time frames like weekly and monthly. So if you look at this in the weekly time frame, you can see that clearly there is a good resistance at the top over here. So I have drawn that resistance line, and you can see that as per my moving average crossover system, I can tell you that in the weekly time frame, Grasim stock is actually in an uptrend, and in the monthly time frame also Grasim stock is in an uptrend. But in the monthly time frame, you can see that there is a pattern which is being formed. So as per this pattern, what we can see is it can take support at this 1300 level also in a monthly time frame, which means it may not even cross this 1800 level in this month. So it can even come down further, is what my analysis is. Now let's go into the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, the first thing I want you to notice is that it is forming a evening star pattern over here. So this indicates that there is a lot of bears selling Grasim stock today. Actually I assume that it will have a breakout, but that has happened in the reverse. It is going down. So what we have to do is, there is a support over here at 1700, and you can see the RSI range is also in between, is around 4950. So there is a good chance for it to reverse from this point as well. But what we have to do is, we cannot, like I said, we cannot assume things. What we have to wait for the market to react. Tomorrow when the market opens, is it going to take support at 1700, or is it going to go further down? So if it is going further down, then we know that the uptrend is going to break and it's going to start coming down, and it will be a good idea to sell the stock if you're not holding it. In case you're holding this stock, then you can buy a put option and use a protective put strategy, and you can make money while this stock stays down. Okay friends, I hope you like this analysis of Grasim stock. If there's any stock you want me to analyze like this, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon with another stock. Take care. Bye-bye.